Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Prasad Krishnamur and I am from Zeal Education Society, Pune. My project name is Prepare a model on a school single store building, guided by Priyanka Khatvekar ma'am. Project by me and my roll number is 48. Second year civil engineering student and I am from division A. Now we are starting content. Principle of planning of primary school. Site selection and its principle. Components of school building, important design and consideration. And last one is layout. Principle of planning primary school. Aspect. Classrooms, sufficient light, entrance door, laboratories. Roomness, width to length ratio is 1/12 and to 1.15. Room width length greater than 2 into width creates tunnel effect. Privacy, not more than 3 classes in a row. It's good to have independence assist to each class. Grouping, principal and staff room are grouped and located near entrance. Girls waiting room and toilet needs to be grouped. Curriculation, there should be only one entrance in the classroom. Horizontal calculations should be possible until should not more than 13. Site selection, we can see here in this image downward there are shown images. The school site should be aquatic enough to meet the further needs like health facilities, physical education, community programs, cultural programs, recreation programs. Principle of planning site, build up an area for a not extend 25% of a site area. The remaining area should be used for a sports field and gardens. In this image we can see here in the downside images sports, there are some playgrounds for the sports and gardens. Next one are components of a school: classroom, laboratories, drawing halls, library, auditoriums, gymnasium, administration area, staff area, play fields, assembly, parking space for further expansion. Classroom, basic dimension of classroom and their space requirements. Arrangements of further and equipments, not of students to be accommodated, activities to be carried out, seating arrangement, comfortable angle for the vision of the board. Classroom design, classroom 0.9 meter per pupil of primary school, 1.1 meter for pupil middle school, 1.2 to 1.5 meter pupil per secondary school. Verdannas of south and west direction. Ventilators in east and north direction. Classroom should be one sided of Vendiran instead of each side of the library. Design and rate of 3 to design at the rate of 3 m2 per 10% of the strength of the school. It should be away. Parking area, playground, assembly hall. Gymnasium, near playground and should be well ventilated. Minimum dimension 50 mm and 7 mm including changing room and the toilet block. Next one are principal office and staff room. The principal office should be minimum 20 to 15 square meter. For staff room it should be minimum 3 square meter, teaching excluding the cupboard. Parking, separate parking should be provided for students, staff, visitors. Area must be decided as per vehicle and the number of the student and staff. Important design and consideration. Functions, assembly, product, secure and safe, sustainable. Now the minimum number of the rooms available in buildings are shown in this downward images, and playgrounds also. Layouts, last one are the school floor plan. We can see here in the floors plan and the classes. Next one are the school structure, and we can see here is the model.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.